These 4 habits literally changed everything for me. I went from living paycheck to paycheck, mom life, to now being in one of my favorite dream hotels in Miami. And all because I shifted just a few little things and learned how to create passive income online. If I can do this, you can do this too. Hey everybody, my name is Sierra Janae. I'm a wife and mom of 2, and I help moms break free from that survival mode to living your best life with digital products, affiliate marketing, and learning just how to create passive income online. I got a good one for you today. Instead of giving you the strategy like I always do, so be sure to check out my other videos as well. Today, I really just wanted to dive into the habits that you need to incorporate, the habits that you need to do in order to live your best life, your dream life, whatever you want to call it. And without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into it because I ain't trying to waste y'all time. I know y'all don't be trying to do all that, okay? Habit number 1, sacrifice. We gotta talk about sacrifice, okay? You cannot change your life without giving up something. Sacrifice is one of those things that so many people are just not willing to do, but yet you saying that you want to live your best life. You saying you want to make all this money. You saying you want to start that business, that corporation, but yet you won't sacrifice something as simple as social media scrolling, something as simple as going out with the girls. Okay, like yes, we all deserve to have a good time, but sometimes we got to put in that work. And putting in that work, when you're doing it, you should know that the longevity of this is going to be worth it. If I actually take the time to work on my business tonight, instead of starting and then stopping, instead of starting and then stopping, instead of starting then stopping, it's going to be worth it. When I first got started and I created my online business, I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but I had it made up in my mind that failure was not an option. So that definitely consists of some times where I didn't go out on date nights. I don't really have any friends like that, so I ain't gonna try to make it seem like I was out with the girls. Maybe definitely wasn't me and my girl, my daughter. But you know, sometimes I had to give up moments with my kids because I wanted to work on my business. And yeah, I felt like crap when I was doing it, but when I look now at where I'm at, it was worth it. And honestly, my kids didn't really give a damn. My husband really didn't give a damn. And this is coming from a person who is a people pleaser that wants to check every box for everybody. But sacrifice is so important. And the sooner you get comfortable with it and know that, you know what, I may not be able to go out to the club tonight, but I'm trying to buy the club. And if I focus and do what I need to do, I'm going to get there. Think about how many years you've wasted not getting what you need to get done, not starting that business, not doing what you said that you was going to do, all because you wanted some temporary happiness or because you wanted that temporary fulfillment, or you let procrastination kick in. And just know that sacrifice isn't forever, but it's necessary to create the life that you want. Habit number 2, fix your motherfucking relationship with money. Fix your relationship with money. Fix your relationship with money. So a lot of our relationships with money definitely stem from our childhood trauma. It definitely stem from us hearing mama ain't got McDonald's money. It definitely comes from us hearing money don't grow on trees. And it's so important for you to fix your relationship with money. If you are a person constantly always saying, I'm broke, I don't have this, I'm broke, I'm broke, I'm broke, maybe you're gonna stay broke. Okay, it's not a joke. It's not something to be laughing about. It's not anything funny. You know, a lot of people will do that. Like, oh girl, I can't do that because baby, that money's in another account that I cannot access right now. Okay, don't claim those things over your life. If you feel like money is hard to attract, if you feel like making money is hard, it will always be hard for you. What is the worst thing that can happen if you say, you know what, money is always around me. Money is energy. I give off that type of vibe. There are so many different opportunities around me to make money. So again, once you learn that, and this is why I'm so grateful that I took the time to learn high income skills, because it truly set me up to never be broke another day in my life. And it's so important to fix your relationship with money. So whatever those thoughts, that childhood trauma that you got growing up, fix that shit and fix that shit now. If it's telling yourself daily affirmations, saying a song, money comes to me easily and money comes to me fast. When money comes, it comes to me. When money comes, I love me a good affirmation, okay? Say some affirmations, say that shit in the mirror, get comfortable with it, but fix your relationship with motherfucking money, okay? If you do not learn how to create passive income so you can make money in your sleep, maybe you're gonna work till the day you die. And I don't know about you, I ain't doing that. Habit number 3, one of my favorites, and honestly, if it was not for this habit, I wouldn't be here today. Before I was ever here in Miami, I visualized this moment. I visualized this very moment. Even though my bank account definitely said otherwise, I believe that I could sit in this exact room on this high ass floor. I believe, y'all, I'm scared of elevators, but I seen it. I seen it for myself. I seen the view. I seen all of it. If you can see it, breathe it, hear it, touch it, motherfucking taste it, baby, it's already yours. Be motherfucking delusional. Why are we so scared to dream big? Is somebody gonna fight you? Is somebody gonna fight you? We need to get back to our childhood imagination, because couldn't nobody tell us nothing. Couldn't nobody tell you couldn't be that ballerina, superhero, astronaut that you wanted to be. You was hell-bent on doing that. But once we hit adulthood and we get around friends and family members, we let other people's thoughts and ideas project themselves on us. And that holds so many of us back. The way our mindset is set up, we think that we can obtain things if it's not tangible or if it's not physically in front of us, right? Our reality once was our imagination. You live in your current home, the car that you drive, the job that you're currently working right now. It was a once upon a time where you was praying, and when you was praying, you probably was like, I could just see myself doing it. I could just see myself driving that car. I could just see myself being in that Miami hotel on that high ass floor and looking out at the view. I could just see it. I know I'm gonna get there. I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but I could just see it. Instead of shying away from certain things, go and test drive your dream car. Go and get comfortable and see what it feels like, because how are you gonna know? Okay? Like, stop being so afraid to do certain things. Go on there and book that trip. Fly in first class if that's whatever. Steve Harvey said that, where he always rode coach, and the first time even though he couldn't really afford first class, he sat in first class and was like, I don't know. I just know I don't never want to go back to motherfucking coach. So what do I need to do to position myself to be here? Be motherfucking delusional, y'all. What is the worst thing that can happen if you just believe in yourself? So the fourth and final habit, and it's probably one of my favorite habits. All of these are my favorite habits, but this one is the most important, is putting God in the center of everything that you do. This habit truly grounds everything, y'all. Proverbs 16:3 says, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and he will establish your plans, okay? As a person that has tried so many different side hustles, y'all, so many different side hustles. I say this all the time on my channel, on my lives. Y'all have heard me say it 1,001 times. I never led with God. I never ever led with God. I never consulted him first. I just tried to figure it out. Where instead of just saying, God, I want you to use me. I want you to tell me my purpose. You know what I mean? Explain to me my purpose. Explain to me what I want to do, because I know if your hands is on it, I know it's going to take off. Having God in the center of everything I do is literally like having an open book test to success. That's truly how I feel. Like, yes, we're going to go through things. We're going to go through trials, tribulations, and everything like that. But God, and that's the thing. Sometimes we don't even realize we shooting so low when God has something so much higher for us. So by consulting with him, getting in your word, praying, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not the super religious person or anything like that. I'm definitely spiritual, and I definitely have a relationship with God. But opening up my Bible, writing things down that I'm grateful for every day, and spending time with God has made such a difference in my life. And I'm so mad that I wasn't doing this a long time ago. Putting God in the center of everything you do will change everything for you. So put God in your business, in your motherhood journey, in your relationships, in everything you do. And I promise you, he's definitely going to guide your steps and bless your efforts, period. Okay? Ain't nothing like Jesus. Okay? Ain't nothing like Jesus. All right, y'all. So those were my 4 habits that literally changed everything for me. So remember, baby, that sacrifice. Okay? Fixing that relationship with money. Being delusional and putting God in the center of everything you do. I promise you, once you start implementing these changes in your life, you're going to see a huge difference. And I want you to be sure to come back to this video and comment down below. Comment down below what habit definitely resonated with you the most, or maybe that thing that you've been feeling like you need to work on, okay? And y'all, most importantly, I know y'all want to know, making money is not hard. It truly is not. You just have to change your ways. And if you are looking for a way to create passive income for yourself, I offer 2 programs down below. I definitely think you should check them out. You can also check out this video here where you can learn more about how to create passive income. But if you enjoy videos like this, be sure to comment, like this video, and subscribe before you leave. I would really, really appreciate it. And I will see y'all on my next video.